Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me today as I compare and contrast these beautiful pomegranates you see before you. We have over here the wonderful, which I will use to compare the other varieties to, since we all know what a wonderful tastes like, since it is the commercial variety. Over here we have the Parfianka. This is a Desertnyi. You see splitting. It's definitely ready to go here in late October. Over here, it is an unknown sweet variety, and I'm not sure which one it is. I have a feeling what it might be, but until I try the same exact fruit, I would just say it is an unknown sweet for now. This is a new variety I am growing, and I don't know if it's ready. Judging by the size, it probably isn't, but I'm going to taste it. If it tastes good, I'll tell you what it is. If it doesn't, then I'll assume it's not ready, and we'll just leave that one out. So, I'll cut these open. We'll take a look at the inside. We'll give them a try. And I'll try to best explain what they taste like to me. Oh, here we go. Look at the wonderful. That is beautiful. You can see why this is the commercial variety of choice. So here we are with the different pomegranate varieties, and let me go ahead and try them out. This is the wonderful. Definitely a nice crunch, as you would expect from a wonderful. A little bit of sweet, a little tart, not too tart. Let's compare it with this one. This is the sweet variety. Softer seed, not a lot of crunch. This one is almost like candy. It's just sweet. There's no acid, no astringency. People are pleasantly surprised when they try this one. If you know someone who's not a fan of pomegranates, I bet they'll like that one because you can't go wrong. It tastes more like what you'd expect fruit to taste like, just nice and sweet and tangy. You can see quite a lot there. Now this one, this is the Desertnyi. Let me try this guy. And this one I like because it has a long season. I could start eating these in July. And the tree is very productive once it gets going. Wow, very, very nice. I'm a big fan of this one for many reasons. One is that, as I was saying, the tree is extremely productive once it gets going, and it has a very long season. This one reminds me most of lemonade, and I say lemonade because it is sweet and sour at the same time. You taste a little bit of the sugar, and it's got sour, almost like a lemon. Definitely like a citrus overtone, as I've been told. Some people compare it to orange juice, but up here, where my location, it tastes almost more like a lemon was squeezed in there. This one is ready, so I am going to name it. This is the Erin pomegranate, which we know this is Laguna Hills propagates these, and it's a Malaysian pomegranate. Let me try this one. Okay, this one is very similar to the sweet. So today, with this one pomegranate from the Erin, it is essentially sweet pomegranate. The interesting thing about the Erin is that it's supposed to have it's supposed to be an ever-bearing pomegranate. So throughout the year, you could come and taste these, and that's a wonderful feature to have. Again, I think children would enjoy this, much like the sweet pomegranate, and of course adults too. But there's no acid in this one. Now we're getting to this one, which is known for its acid. In fact, I can tell you honestly, my wife doesn't like this one because the taste is too strong. And this is the Parfianka. Wow, that is a strong taste. That is a strong taste. I mean, if you like oaky, heavy Napa cabs, for example, this is the one for you. The flavor is very complex. The seeds are very soft. And I have to say, I used to think that these two, the Wonderful and the Parfianka, were similar. After today's taste test, which is why it's important to taste them side by side, I don't think it tastes very much or as much like a Wonderful as I used to. It looks like a Wonderful, but the acid in here is very, very strong. The seeds are soft. There's a lot of acid. There's some sweetness too. And in a winery in Napa, used to have, or still does, have 60 varieties of pomegranates. And this was my favorite. And part of that too is it's a heavily productive tree. You can see nice big fruit. In fact, I have another one here. Parfiankas can get very, very big. See, almost as big as this Wonderful. And so it's another good reason to have a Parfianka. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully this gives you some idea of what pomegranates are out there that you can enjoy for you and your family. I can say I highly recommend growing pomegranates because, like figs, they're really easy to take care of, especially once you figure out the watering schedule. I basically water mine every Saturday with 2 gallons of water each, and we're good to go. In fact, I didn't have any cracking until here late October with this one. So go out there. Please leave any comments, like and subscribe. I appreciate that you watch my videos. Have a good day.